Oh, Dankarella in the kitchen. She whipping. Dankarella in the kitchen. She whipping, yeah. Oh, what's up, y'all? Your girl back with another delicious recipe. And tonight, we having some creamy ass grits with them short ribs, y'all. Let's go. This shit was so damn good. I gotta show y'all how I made this here. Come on. First, you're gonna start off with peeling you some carrots, right? Yeah, cut them up kind of big because you want some nice chunks in that gravy at the end, okay? And I don't know how y'all feel about grits, but baby, I'm from the South. And we will put anything on some grits if them grits is cooked right, okay? Yeah, go ahead and get you a bell pepper. Slice that up. Yeah, cut everything kind of big because this finna be on low for about 3 or 4 hours and you do not want your little vegetables to disappear. Go ahead and smash up some garlic and put it in there. Don't chop it up. Just smash it. Throw it in there. Yeah, get your tomato paste. I got all my little seasonings in this one bowl. I got me some Vetilan bouillon roast beef, y'all. This shit good for real. Anytime you making anything with beef, throw this in there. Look, got my little prep. Stay ready. You ain't got to get ready. Oh, got these good ass short ribs, baby. I was at the store. I seen the lady putting them out. I said, oh, them fresh. Give them here. These things red and nice. Go ahead and season them with a little black pepper and salt on all sides, guys. Everywhere. The side, the bottom, the top. Make sure you get it all because we finna brown these things up. Oh, they finna be so tender. Girl, over them creamy ass grits. Oh, let me stay focused. All right, go ahead and get your salt and pepper on all sides, front, back, side to side, baby. Go ahead and get you some paprika on there for color. Get you a big pot, some olive oil in there. Go ahead and saute all your vegetables you cut up. Oh, it don't take long, about 1 or 2 minutes. Then you're gonna go ahead and get your beef up in there, baby, because we about to brown these things. Look at them. Oh, go ahead and get them in there. We're just gonna brown them on each side. We ain't trying to cook the beef all the way through, y'all. We finna braise these for like 3 to 4 hours. They finna be so goddamn tender, falling off the bone, baby. And I like to put all my seasonings in one bowl so I ain't got to deal with it. Just black pepper, complete seasoning, onion powder, garlic powder, season, salt, all that stuff. Like put it in one bowl so I ain't got to deal with it. Okay, got that meat brown. So we coming in with the tomato paste, the Bedouin bouillon. Go ahead and get some of the seasoning in there, y'all. Go ahead and get that brown and seasoning in there and come in with your water. You can use beef broth if you want to, but I ain't using it. I'm using water. It is what it is. And I'm going to do what you want to do. You go ahead and put that top on there and set that and forget that for about 30, 45 minutes because then I'm going to come through with this cornstarch slurry. I don't know if y'all know about this because I'm going to put y'all on. If you're making any type of gravy, any type of stew, any type of anything when you need to thicken up your sauce and you don't want to make a roux, get you some cornstarch, get you a little water in there, mix it up, make you a little slurry. Put that in there. Anyway, we're going to go ahead and start on these grits, y'all, because, baby, I love my grits creamy. I don't know how y'all like them. I know they call grits, but I don't want no grit, okay? And honestly, the key to making the best grits is liquid. By the time you do putting everything in the pot, you're going to be like, God damn, did I put too much water in here or did I put too much milk? It's going to look like you put a lot of liquid in there, but it's going to cook down. It's going to soak it all up, and they're going to be so creamy and so fluffy, y'all. And use heavy whipping cream. I'm finna put the recipe in the description. Look at them things. You got to use the heavy whipping cream, y'all. Y'all, it's about 3, 4 hours later. I'm going to go ahead and plate this thing up. Look at them, look at them ribs, y'all. Got them big chunks of carrots on there. I'm going to throw a little parsley on here, make it look nice. Baby, y'all, look at this. Restaurant quality all day. Shit, it look good. Let's see what it's talking about. Mm-hmm. Yeah, ain't nothing finna look this good and be nasty. This shit good as hell. Oh yeah, must try, y'all. I'm gonna put the recipe in the description because, baby, this bad boy is fire. But y'all know the vibe. Like, comment, subscribe, turn them notifications on. Ding, ding, baby. And yes, this is my real voice, y'all. I'm from Texas, baby. She in the kitchen. And she whipping.